high-level Satanists, and they've told me, I've asked them, which is the true religion on planet Earth? Every single high-level Satanist that I've talked to have said, that's a simple question, Jess. It's the Roman Catholic Church. You guys were taught the true worship at the Last Supper, connected with Calvary. What religion do they try to profane and commit sacrilege? They don't go to Protestant services and take the bread from the paten, because they know it's bread. They don't go into mosques and try to profane whatever's going on there, or a Jewish synagogue. They go to the Catholic Mass, because they'll all tell you the Eucharist is Jesus Christ. A lot of these Satanists, they have more faith in the real presence of Christ than many Catholics. In the book of James, there's a passage that says, the devils believe, they don't obey. Satanists are the same way. You talk to high-level Satanists, and witches and sorcerers and shamans, they'll say, you go into Catholic Masses because you guys have Jesus there.
They want to desecrate that.
Bingo.
Yeah.
And so you'll also find that that's just the way the devil operates. For example, in the Bible, it says that the devil is like a roaring lion. 1 Peter 5:8-9. Like. Revelation 5:5 says Jesus is the lion. So everything that you see in the occult specifically is a mockery of Catholic Christianity, because they know the P.O. box of the one true church.